Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast. Today I'm going to talk about an important rapidly growing technology in the healthcare industry called telemedicine. Imagine you are feeling sick, but instead of going to a hospital and waiting in long queue, you can simply talk to a doctor using your phone from home. This is exactly what telemedicine allows us to do. Telemedicine uses digital technology such as video calls, mobile apps, and online platforms to provide medical services remotely. The reason I selected telemedicine as my topic is because technology is changing the healthcare industry very quickly. Telemedicine is one of the best examples of how digital innovation can improve people's lives. It is especially useful for people who live in rural areas or those who cannot easily travel to hospitals. And also, as someone interested in technology and business, I find it interesting how healthcare services are becoming more digital. I'm presenting this topic as a podcast because it always me to explain complex ideas in a simple and Let's talk engaging way. About how telemedicine actually works. Telemedicine connects patients and doctors through digital communication platforms. Patients can use smartphones, tablets, or computers to access telemedicine services. For example, they can use mobile apps, websites, or even messaging platform to connect directly doctors. There are different types of communication methods such as video calls, voice calls, and live chats. During a consultation, the patient explains their symptoms and doctor provide advice, diagnosis, and treatment recommendations. In some cases, doctors can also prescribe medicine online. Additionally, wearable devices such as smartwatches can send real-time health data like heart rate or blood pressure to doctors. This allows the doctor to monitor patients remotely without physical visits. So overall, telemedicine makes healthcare more accessible and convenient. Now we are going to talk about several important technologies that support telemedicine. First, we are going to talk about high-speed internet is essential because it allows smooth communication between patient and doctors. Without a stable internet connection, telemedicine cannot function properly. You know what I mean? And second one is cloud computing is used to store and share patient data securely. These ensure that medical records can be accessed anytime from anywhere. And third parties, video conference tools such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams are used for real-time communications. In this topic, another important technology is artificial intelligence. AI can help analyze symptoms, assist doctors in decision making, and even detect patterns in medical data. Electronic health records also play a key role by allowing doctors to access patient history easily. Together, these technologies make telemedicine efficient and reliable. Now let's compare telemedicine with traditional healthcare services. In traditional healthcare, patients need to visit hospitals physically, wait in queues, and spend time traveling. This can be difficult, especially for people living in remote areas. Telemedicine, on the other hand, allows patients to consult doctors from their homes. It saves time, reduces travel costs, and provides fast access to medical advice. However, traditional healthcare is still necessary for physical examinations, surgeries, and emergency treatments. So, telemedicine cannot completely replace traditional healthcare, but it can support and improve it. let's talk about impact on patient experience. Telemedicine has significantly improved patient experience. Patient can quickly contact doctors and receive advice without delays. It reduces overcrowding in hospital and makes healthcare more efficient. However, it may reduce personal interaction between doctors and patients, which can affect trust and communication. Some patients may prefer face-to-face consultations. Let's talk about interesting part of this topic, future of telemedicine. Looking at the future, telemedicine has a lot of potential. With advancement in artificial intelligence and new technologies like virtual reality, telemedicine services will become more advanced. Doctors may be able to diagnose patients more accurately using digital tools. Remote monitoring system will also improve patient care. However, it is important to ensure proper regulation and data protection and ethical use of technology. The last part is telemedicine is expected to play a major role in the future of healthcare. Also, it is important to understand how telemedicine can impact healthcare system in developing countries like Sri Lanka. In many rural areas, people do not have easy access to hospitals or qualified doctors. Traveling to city and hospitals can take a lot of time and money. Telemedicine can help solve these problems by allowing patients to connect with doctors remotely. This can improve access to medical services and reduce delays in treatment. At the same time, telemedicine can reduce overcrowding in hospitals by handling minor consultations online. This allows hospitals to focus more on serious emergency cases. However, for telemedicine to work effectively, there must be improvement in internet access, digital infrastructure, and public awareness. The overall, telemedicine has the potential to improve healthcare not only globally but also in countries like Sri Lanka if implemented properly. So, finally, telemedicine is a powerful and innovative technology that is transforming the healthcare industry. It improves accessibility, convenience, and efficiency for both patients and healthcare professionals. And although there are some challenges, the future of telemedicine looks very promising. Thank you very much for listening to my podcast and see you again. Bye.